Today we're looking at the Toddlerino girl toy set. Comes with 47 pieces. It's for ages 3 and up. And we're gonna open it up and see what it all comes with. Turn it on the side right here. There's the grill itself. Inside of the grill, the legs. And your accessories of food and utensils. So I am going to go ahead and take this apart, and I will get it all set up, and then I'll turn this back on. Okay, so we have the Toddlerino grill with 47 pieces. All taken out of the package. And there's a couple things I wanted to show you. Of course, it didn't come with any instructions, which I'm getting kind of tired of these companies not giving you really any instructions except for maybe something that's on the box itself. Anyway, I didn't put the stickers on some of the parts, and if you look at the box, you can see where these stickers go. But there is a couple things I want to show you. I had to put 4 AA batteries in the bottom of this. You needed a little screwdriver to do that. And basically this is how it works. After you put your batteries in, you put some water in this little reservoir right here, just a little bit of water. It came with this to put water in, but it wasn't very easy, so I just used a little measuring cup. So, and then I've got the grill already with the food on it. Set it down in there, and I want to show you. Oh, shoot. Okay, you see where the light is down there? You take your lighter, which another sticker goes on here, and you just touch that light. And that starts your barbecue. Let me see. And in a minute, it's starting to smoke. Steam, actually. Can you see it? And I haven't used it long enough, but these white pieces actually turn a little bit of a pink after a few minutes. Let's see. I'll wait another minute. Yeah, you can see this one changing. I guess the steam is what does that. Changes that color. So then it just stopped right there. So your little one will want to ignite it again. You touch the red dot, red light. And there goes the steam again. And your little one will have tons of fun. Pretend cooking. It is a cute little setup. Like I said, I had to kind of figure out how to put it together. There's a little bit of instructions on the box, but not much. So hopefully this will help you. And he wanted to show you some more of the things it came with. That's some Velcro. Velcro things. I'm not sure. Oh, there you go. Turn it a little bit and you can make a hamburger. And then where's the corn? Came with a piece of corn. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. And it came with a piece of corn. And you shuck your corn. Make your hamburger. Loads of fun for the little one. Here's basically the instructions. Besides all of this mumbo, here's where it says to put the batteries and how to put the grill together. Anyway, even though it had no instructions, I figured it out, and you will too. I think it's a real cute gift. Thank you for watching.